I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shit's never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and them 357 Biggie Smalls, a millionaire, the mansion, the yacht, the 2 weed spots, the 2 hot blocks. That's how I got the weed spot. I shot Dread in the head, took the bread and the lamb spread. Little body got the shotty to your body, so don't resist or you might miss Christmas. I tote guns, I make number runs, I give MCs the runs dripping. When I put my clip in the AK, I slay from far away. Everybody hit the DECK. My slow flow's remarkable. These two Mateo, now we smoke weed like Tony Montana, Smith the Yo-Yo. That's crazy blunts, mad L's. My voice excels from the avenue to jail cell. Oh my God, I hope you're listening. Smacking babies at the christening. So you better grab your pistol, cause if you sit still, I'm gonna make and I'm pop buckets. Why did I have to do it? So that's, you got a gun, nigga.